Good day everyone. This video is about surface area of cylinder. As you have come across many solids like tin can, candle, tissue paper, cell. These all are right circular cylinder. And now the question is, what is right circular cylinder? Right circular cylinder is a solid and generated by revolution of a rectangle about one of its side. And the ends of a right circular cylinder are congruent circles. Now look at cylinder generated by a revolution of rectangle, one of its side, and two circles, congruent circles. And how to find surface area of cylinder? First, to find this area of two bases. Two bases means two circle, circle 1 and circle 2. First we need to find the area of base. Area of base is equal to area of two circles. As we already know that area of circle is equal to pi r square. Area of one circle is equal to pi r square plus area of second circle is pi r square. Both circle and plus these two, so area of base is equal to 2 pi r square. This one is area of base. Now the question is how to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is folded by a circle. This one is rectangle. Upper one edge is circle. This is covered by like this. Circle is on top, same below of rectangle. So folded side of rectangle is equal to folded side of rectangle is equal to 2 pi r and height is equal to h. So area of rectangle is equal to 2 pi r h. Multiplication sign. So h. So total area of surface area of cylinder is equal to area of base. Area of base is equal to 2 pi r square plus area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to 2 pi r h. There is no sign between r and h, so it means the sign is multiplication sign. And now this one is cylinder. to find the area of this cylinder, just to substitute the values of cylinder which is given. Our radius is 2 centimeter. This one is 2 centimeter radius and 4 centimeter is height of cylinder. So we'll place values in this formula. 2 pi r, pi value is equal to 382 by 7. R value you will place 2 centimeter and then square root, same in this 2 pi r and h, and this is the way to find surface area of cylinder. Now I am going to substitute these values to multiplication sign. There is no sign, so it's mean multiplication sign. 22 divided by 7, and then again multiplication sign. R value is 2 centimeter. Write this 2 centimeter in bracket because we need to take square root of 2 centimeter. This is square, and this portion done, and next you will place plus sign. Again bracket, inside the bracket you will place all values to multiply. Multiplication sign. 22 by 7, then again multiplication sign, and R value is 2 centimeter. Be careful for unit, write with every step, and height is 4 centimeter. This is the way to substitute values in question. First you will solve this one. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 and multiplication sign. 2 multiplied by 22 is 44 divided by 7, and then multiplication sign 4 centimeter, square centimeter. Be careful for unit, telling you again and again, and then plus sign. Second bracket we will solve. 2 multiplied by 22, that is 44 by 7, and multiply these two. Multiplication sign is 8. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 square centimeter, and is equal to sign. So 44 multiplied by 4 divided by 7 divided by 7 you will do, and after this we will add 176 square centimeter divided by 7 plus sign. 44 multiplied by 8, 352 by 7. Next step we will plus these, and this one is fractions addition, and we can plus because both denominators are same. Suppose if denominators are not same, first we need to make denominator same. 176 plus 352, 528 square centimeter divided by 7. 528 divided by 7, in the end you can divide. If there is decimal answer, after point take 3 digits. 75.428 square centimeter is surface area of this cylinder. I hope this video helps to understand how to find surface area of cylinder.